Hey, what's going on, guys? Making a quick video for you about if you have no suction or very little suction in your Dyson ball vacuum. This particular one is a Dyson ball multi-floor right here, but this also could be for an older one like a DC25, etc. It's actually a really simple fix. I'll show you both ways how to get out clogs from the main portion here and also for the hose over here. So first thing I noticed when I'm obviously vacuuming, it just wasn't picking up as much as I actually have two of these same vacuums. So I do know the potential of what it can do, and this one wasn't up to potential. So first and foremost, you guys are obviously experiencing those issues, so that's why you're here. So this is clamped on. As we can see here, those gold prongs fit right into right there. And let's just go ahead and set it in there. Now, when you put it back on, it obviously will be like this, but there is a little red clip right here. Grab it by both sides here and on the other side, and that just slips off right here. Once that is slipped off, then gently just make sure that the little hook is undone on top and it pulls straight out like this. Now, I've already removed a little bit. Obviously, that is absolutely disgusting, and that's why this was clogged. And as you can see here, it is full right there as well. So I was losing pretty much all of my suction because obviously it's trying to slip past this clog and just was not getting anything in there. I highly recommend using gloves, jam it in there, take out everything, grab a clean Lysol. See, there's like full-blown paper. Oops, actually, I need that razor blade. I recommend taking some disinfectant wipes, wiping it all down. If you guys do not have any disinfectant wipes, how I clean all my electronics, even vacuums, 91% isopropyl alcohol and paper towels or napkins. This will kill all bacteria. I will link this in the description box as well. Now, if you want to clean in the lower brush area, let's say you have a bunch of pet hair or human hair in there after you have cleaned this out and you want to scrub it up even more, go ahead and flip these tabs right here. They flip left to right to left. Just make sure you're doing this over an area where you're probably going to have to vacuum up. And after those tabs are flipped, this literally just comes right down like this. And you have access to the brush where you can unwind hair. You have access to the whole entire back end area. I would definitely clean that up, get any dust bunnies off of the little row here. And then obviously this nasty stuff that just piles up in the edges. Get rid of all that. Wipe it all down clean, put that back together, back on here, obviously, then clip in your red clip. Now let's go ahead and head up to the hose part. Okay, now for the hose portion, simply obviously unwrap your cord so you can remove this. Once this is removed, we're going to go ahead and push this here. A little tricky with one hand, and remove your wand. Once you push that, pull up out of the hose, the wand, and it comes right out. Set that aside. And the first thing you're going to do, obviously, is you're going to look inside here. You might want to grab a flashlight, see if you can see anything in there. And if there is, try to get it out. Try to obviously go over a trash can, and you can beat the section and try to remove it that way. But obviously, if the clog is way down below here, let me show you how to get to that. So you're going to pull off your canister. You're going to set the canister aside. You're going to come over here, where you're going to see this little flip up thing right here, okay? And all you're going to do is it's going to flip up. Don't force it, but it should just, again, it should just flip up. You might have to gently pull out and then up. And then what that's going to do is that's going to expose where the hose comes in right here. And so that, if you have a nasty clog down there, I would recommend needle nose pliers. Just make sure you don't pierce any of the hose liner there. And that is how you remove any clogs in that area there. Obviously, when you're done, snap that back into place, and then you can put your canister back and your hose and your wand back right there. Hopefully the video has helped you guys. Smash that thumbs up button if it has, so you can get back into business with perfect, beautiful suction. You paid a lot of money for your vacuum, it might as well work for you. Take care, guys, and again, look in the description box below for my disinfectant alcohol that I use to clean this up. We're gonna really gut this thing. It's looking absolutely fantastic. It's gonna take a little bit of time, but you're gonna be thrilled with the results. That is, cleaning it. Undoing the clogs is a lot. You guys have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.